In this video, we listed the 5 best treadmills for seniors that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Sunny SFT 7515. The Sunny Health and Fitness SFT 7515 Smart Treadmill is a great foldable treadmill for older adults who enjoy a good low-impact workout. This particular design has a large LCD monitor that tracks important health metrics such as time, speed, distance, calories, incline, and heart rate. Some of the other standout features of this treadmill are its convenient transportation wheels and foldable design, which make it easy to store in the closet or other space. This treadmill also allows you to answer phone calls without stepping away from the workout. The bright red emergency stop clip is another great safety feature of this treadmill. When I caught myself panting and slowing down, the red clip came out as a safety precaution. I resumed and adjusted the speed to 2 miles per hour and went back to my workout with the red emergency clip inserted again. I also appreciated having 12 incline levels to choose from. During my cool-down period, I went for the lower incline levels, and when I wanted more cardio, I challenged myself with greater inclines. Number 2. XTERRA Fitness TRX 4500 Treadmill. The XTERRA Fitness TRX 4500 treadmill is suitable for all fitness levels. If you're an older adult who enjoys low-impact workouts, this treadmill comes with 30 preset programs. With a 7.5-inch LCD screen to monitor your health metrics or connect to Bluetooth to stream music, this lightweight, foldable treadmill is a great option for a variety of workouts. The TRX 4500 can attain speeds of up to 12 miles per hour. I was pleased to note that this treadmill has 15 different incline levels, giving me the ability to change up my workout while tracking my heart rate. When you wear the heart rate chest strap, you can monitor your heart rate and adjust your incline and speed levels accordingly. Other features include a powerful and quiet motor that's covered by XTERRA Fitness's lifetime warranty. Some treadmills don't have handlebar features that let you control speed and incline. With this treadmill, you can easily adjust settings from the handlebars instead of the main touchscreen. What's more, this treadmill is lightweight and compact, and can be easily stored in the closet with its transport wheels and special carriage design. Number 3. Soul F80 Treadmill. The Soul F80 Treadmill is great for older adults with arthritis or mobility issues. The deck is easy on the knees, and you can adjust speed and incline levels using the treadmill's sidebar controls. Another standout feature of this treadmill is an integrated tablet holder, which lets you rest your tablet and watch shows or workout routines for a hands-free experience. Unlike most noisy treadmills, this model is quiet due to its patented roller technology, which reduces noise. Other features I liked included the large LCD screen, which is great for tracking distance, speed, heart rate, and other helpful health metrics. Once I was done working out, I was able to easily stow the foldable treadmill. It was lightweight, compact, and able to easily lock into place in an upright position. With its easy assist folding deck design, I was able to start the process over again and easily unfold the treadmill for another workout. Number 4. Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The Goplus 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is a compact treadmill for older adults who spend a lot of time at home or at their desks. It's also a great work-from-home treadmill because it gives users the chance to stay active while doing monotonous or sedentary tasks. I was also impressed by the LED display, which showed some of the main health metrics I cared about, such as distance, speed, and calories. However, I was not able to adjust the incline on this treadmill. Some of the other standout features of this treadmill are its high-quality, non-slip shock-absorbing running belt, which has 5 thick layers for extra cushioning. That's easy on your back and knees. I especially liked being able to use my smartphone while jogging on the Goplus 2-in-1 through its Bluetooth connectivity. I'm all about safety, so the bright orange safety key accessory was an important feature. I also noticed that this treadmill was not as noisy as other treadmills I've used. With a super quiet 2.25 HP motor, I was able to work out without disrupting others. When I was done using this treadmill, I simply left it under my desk until my next work from home task. Number 5. BiFanuo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill. The BiFanuo 2-in-1 Folding Treadmill is an excellent choice for older adults who are looking for an affordable under-the-desk walking or running treadmill. This 5-layer treadmill deck is cushioned with sound insulation and water-resistant features that provide older adults with more support for their joints. For the price, this 2-in-1 treadmill is great for active older adults who want the option of walking or running on the treadmill without stepping outside. I liked the large LED screen, which displayed distance, speed, and calories to keep me updated on my workout progress. I appreciated the red safety key and remote control, which let me easily pause or stop the treadmill for emergencies. What's more, this treadmill is lightweight, 80 pounds, compared to other models, which makes it easier to stow in a small place.